Hi, good morning. Today I would like to show you the steps to make the PCB process. In the previous videos I have been explained how to make the circuit designing in the multisim, and then how to simulate it, and then how to make the multi-board design. After multi-board design, we will take the printout on the A4 paper. Then we will cut the circuit into the normal size to transfer this image into the PCB board. Here we are using single side PCB. I am using this brand made in China. Okay, it will have 3 protection layers. The first one is protection with the cover. Just if you open it, inside you will find 2 more coatings. One is ink, green ink, that will be useful for the UV transfer process. This is the green ink, will be useful for the UV transfer. Just place your board circuit on the board. I am making 3 circuits at a time. You have to be very careful while placing the circuit on the board. Then keep your arrangement in the UV exposure. This is the UV exposure. So place your arrangement here and then close this UV exposure completely. This process is to transfer the circuit image to the board. This process will take around 60 seconds to 100 seconds. Okay, this is the next step. After the UV exposure, the image of the circuit is already transferred to this board, but we are not able to see clearly. To see the circuit clearly, we have to do the developing process. For this process, we are using a chemical called DP50. So this chemical has been added in the normal water, pure water, and we can place this board inside this water. This process will take around 1 minute, 1.5 minutes around. So the green ink will go off and the circuit layout will be on the board. Based on the chemical strength, the time, it will take the time around 30 seconds to 1.5 minute. Okay, after a developing process, we have to wash it. The etching process. For the etching process, we are using the chemical ferric chloride. We mix this chemical ferric chloride in the water. This machine, I will keep this board inside with the stand so that the water will sprinkle on it. All the unwanted copper will come out and the PCB will be ready after 45 minutes. So this process will take around 45 minutes. This board is the board after the developing process, and this is the board is after the etching process. All the copper from this area is come out, so it is ready to go for the soldering process.